Hey everybody, this is Bill coming to you hopefully live from the Wishlist team over at Atlantic Communities Real Estate. I am standing in front of 110 Founders Mill Court. It's just right down the street from downtown Roswell, and I got a new toy, so I was figuring I'd try it out by giving you a tour of a open house that I'm going to be holding this coming Sunday from 1 to 4. Now, this is a 360-degree video, so if you got your camera out or your phone out, you can probably pan around and take a look around, or if you're on your computer, you can just take your mouse and click around and move the camera around so you can not look at my ugly face and instead take a look at this beautiful home. So this is the main entryway here with your garage, two-car garage. And again, here's your two-car garage. You'd probably be coming in from here. We got security systems set up throughout the entire house. There's lots and lots of closet space in this. To my right here, there's two under the stairs storage closets. We have another closet here that houses the water heater and the air conditioning unit. And then we come to what would make a fantastic TV room or a man cave or a den right here off the ground level. I would turn it into a man cave if my wife would let me. And a very beautiful guest bathroom here. And then right off the back here, we have a very private, walled off, good sized patio area for chilling out, getting some sun, doing some reading, or just watching the people walk by. There's beautiful nature trails all up and down this area here, so people are always walking by, getting some exercise. And again, more closet space here. Now we'll go up next to the second level. So this would be your main living area. And I don't know if this camera really does it justice, but this is a huge kitchen. It's got updated appliances there, very, very nice appliances. Double oven, lots and lots of counter space, lots and lots of storage, a good sized pantry, and then nice open living area. The kitchen flows right into the dining room area and the living area. The beautiful stone fireplace. And right off of the living area is this great deck. You can see there's the mill right down there to your left, or to my left. Just giving you a second to take this in. This is a really great porch. Again, another nice big closet. More closet. And this, hold on, before I go in here, I want you to take a look at me. I am 6'4". I cannot touch this jamb without getting on my tippy toes. And that's just the door jamb. I just want you to realize how high these ceilings are. These ceilings make everything so much bigger and brighter and airier and make you feel like you have so much more room. This would make a great office here on the main level, or you could have a guest bedroom in here. Good sized walk-in closet. And then a guest bathroom that opens back out into the hallway. So much natural light comes in through these nice, big, tall windows. And that's the case throughout the entire house. And we'll go back up one more level. And you have a dedicated laundry room. A second larger guest bedroom. And again, nice high ceilings in here as well. Nice big walk-in closet. And this guest bath has a private guest bathroom. With again those nice big windows and all that light. And finally, we have your master bedroom. Good sized master bedroom. Again, overlooking that fantastic view of Roswell. Chattahoochee's is right down there. Good size walk-in closet. And again, I want to point out that I'm a big guy. I'm 300 pounds, and I could easily fit two of me in this tub. This is definitely a soak-in tub if I've ever seen one. Big windows bringing in all that light. His and her vanities. And a nice big shower. These beautiful marble subway tiles. And that's it. So if you'd like to come take a look at this place, come visit me this coming Sunday, 1 to 4, and that's 110 Founders Mill Court in downtown Roswell. See you then. Thanks.